Hey Crafty hackers! If you look hard enough, you can see fashion opportunities anywhere. Like, did you know that you can make clothes from ordinary school supplies? It's super easy and a total blast! But before we get started, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Ready to learn some awesome new fashion hacks? Let's go! Play-doh costume. Play-doh just got a lot more fun. First, roll out some black Play-doh. Trim the top and bottom with an X-Acto knife, and add some jagged edges to the bottom. Sprinkle glitter onto the bottom of the skirt. Actually, sprinkle it all over. You can never have too much glitter. Set the glitter with hairspray so it doesn't fall off when you pick up the skirt. When it's dry, wrap it around Barbie and press in the back to fasten. So far so good. Add a jewelry ring to the bottom of the skirt and carefully tighten with pliers. Then roll out some orange Play-doh. Trim the top and bottom edges. Then roll out some yellow Play-doh too. Trim it into a yellow belt and add a sparkly black belt buckle. Cut this corset shape into the top and put it on your doll. Now add the belt. Anytime you are using an X-Acto knife, you might want to ask Mom or Dad for help. Carefully cut a piece of orange eraser into the shape of a choker for Barbie's neck. Glue it together in the back. Now for the boots. Hop onto these white erasers, Barbie. Trace her feet and carefully cut them out. Glue the platforms to the bottoms of her feet. Roll out some more black Play-doh. And wrap it around Barbie's feet. Wrap more around her calves to make the boots. Cut to fit and press the Play-doh together in the back. Roll down the top of the boots. Trace any design you like into the side and use a pencil eraser to smooth it out. Dip her feet into a bowl of glitter for that added wow factor. Doesn't she look awesome? Red dress. Grab an oversized paperclip, open it up, and bend it around Barbie's neck and back, like this. Get some red tissue paper. Unfold it and wrap it around the wire. Twist it several times around the wire in the back. Then tuck the material around the wire in the front and all the way around. Keep tucking and adjusting until it looks like a large ball gown. Next, cut these shapes out of a red glitter foam sheet. Tuck them inside the wire on Barbie's chest. Use pliers if it's a tight squeeze. Once you've got all the glitter foam sheet tucked into place, use a red paper clip to tie Barbie's hair back. Cut a small strip of red glitter foam sheet and wrap it around Barbie's hair to make a glamorous hair tie. Now that's a ball gown fit for the opera. Paperclip skirt. There's so much more you can do with paper clips, like making an amazing skirt for Barbie. To get started, link a bunch of multicolored paper clips together. Make several strands that are the same length. Glue pieces of blue foam sheet around Barbie's chest and hips. Attach the paperclip strands to a paperclip belt and wrap it around Barbie's waist. Fasten it together in the back. And that's it! Isn't she stylish? School supplies outfit. We've dressed Barbie, now let's make an outfit for you. We're going to turn this poster board into a fabulous skirt. First, glue different color crayons together at the top of the poster board. Once you've got them all glued, hold it up and melt the crayons with a hairdryer so the wax drips down, making this cool pattern. As the skirt is cooling, lie a tank top down on a flat surface and glue colored pencils to the midsection. Use colored pencil shavings to decorate the neckline. Then, cut the tips off your colored pencils. And glue them into a baseball cap. Put it all together and you've got a colorful DIY outfit made from crayons and colored pencils. Pencil shavings dress. For this, you'll need to cut a small strip of foam sheet. Sew some white thread through each side and wrap it around Barbie's chest. Now cut the bottom off of a pencil eraser and use it as a bracelet. Wrap and sew a long skirt from the foam sheet too. Now we're going to need a ton of pencil shavings, so start sharpening those colored pencils. Glue the shavings onto Barbie's dress with a hot glue gun. You can make a specific design or make it totally random. Here's our finished pencil shaving dress. How did yours turn out? We're willing to bet it's one of a kind and totally awesome! Glue gun ring. Wrap a marker in aluminum foil. Put a little bit of hand cream on the foil so the glue doesn't stick. Then carefully apply a strip of hot glue around the marker. When the glue dries, pull it off of the foil and add a little drop of glue in the center for the jewel. Paint the jewel any color you like with nail polish. We chose ruby red. Nice bling! Eraser bracelet. You can make a pretty cool bracelet from these pencil erasers. All you need is a needle and thread. Carefully push the needle through the center of the eraser. Use a pencil to help push it through. Pliers work great to pull the needle through the rubber. Thread several erasers of all different colors together. Attach a paper clip at both ends. Fasten the paper clips together and try on your adorable new bracelet. Seriously, this is so cute! had so much fun making clothes with you today. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.